Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta like an Italian. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. For truly authentic pasta, always choose high-quality durum wheat semolina flour. You'll need fresh eggs, usually 1 large egg for every 100 grams of flour. A small pinch of fine sea salt is also crucial to enhance the overall flavor. These simple, quality components are the foundation of delicious homemade pasta, just like Nonna used to make. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix and knead. First, make a well in the center of your flour on a clean surface. Crack your fresh eggs directly into this well. Slowly, using a fork or your fingertips, begin to incorporate the flour from the edges into the eggs. Once combined, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Then, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is vital for a pliable dough. Now for the fun part, rolling and shaping your pasta. After resting, the dough should be much easier to work with. Roll it out very thinly, ideally to a thickness of about 1 to 2 millimeters. You can achieve this with a pasta machine or a traditional long rolling pin. Once thin, cut your dough into your preferred shapes, perhaps classic fettuccine or wide pappardelle. Remember to dust the fresh pasta generously with semolina flour to prevent it from sticking. Finally, let's cook and serve your beautiful homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding about 10 grams of salt per liter of water. This is crucial for flavor. Fresh pasta cooks very quickly, typically in just 2 to 4 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is excellent for emulsifying your sauce. Serve your pasta immediately with your chosen sauce for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.